Hi, this is Michelle, the computer hardware trainer here at Cellbotics. Now, a lot of students have asked, how much money can I make repairing computers, or can I make money at all? Well, the answer is absolutely you can make money, and your average monthly can be up to $5,000 or $6,000. It really will depend on you. Your average trip charge to go to see someone to do a computer repair is $50 just to go to their house and say, hi, I'm here, and let me look at your computer and do a diagnostics. So if you did 5 to 7 diagnostics every day, times 5, and if you work Saturdays, that's times 6. So that's just the trip charge going to do the diagnostics. Then you have your fix. What's going on with it? Does it need parts? What kind of service is it? Disaster recovery, which is a whole other ball game. In disaster recovery, there's lots more money to be made. Now, let's talk a little bit about gaming computers. Everybody's into gaming. Well, with the skills you'll learn, you'll have the ability to custom build computers and build gaming computers and work on gaming systems. There's a whole plethora of things that you can do with your computer training. That's why we here at Cellbotics teach hands-on immersive training repair. We have the industry standard in equipment, and we teach all brands. Come on down, see me, take my course. I promise you, you'll get all the information and training that you need.